In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailchimp email templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where Mailchimp keeps its ready-made designs and how to reach them quickly, so you can jump straight into building a polished email without starting from scratch. From your main dashboard, look to the left-hand pane and choose Campaigns. This is the home base for anything you plan to send to your audience. Inside Campaigns, make sure you're working with email, since we're creating a standard email campaign and not a landing page or postcard. Now move to the top right and select the Create Email button. Think of this as opening a new project file. This action gets you into the flow where all the design options become available. Next, when you're asked what kind of email you want to create, choose Regular Email. Regular is the straightforward, one-time send that most newsletters, announcements, and promotions use. It's the best route if you simply want to pick a design and start editing your content without setting up automations or complex triggers. When you reach the design stage, choose the option for a fully designed template. This is where Mailchimp does the heavy lifting. Fully designed templates come with thoughtfully arranged sections, font pairings, image areas, and buttons already in place. You're not staring at a blank canvas. You're picking a strong foundation that you'll personalize with your own branding, text, and images. Now you can browse through the gallery of templates. Take your time here. Mailchimp provides a variety of themes suited for newsletters, product spotlights, announcements, events, and seasonal messages. As you scan the options, keep your goal in mind. If you plan a long-form newsletter, look for templates with multiple content blocks. If you're promoting a single offer, choose a design with a bold hero section and a clear call to action. Consider how the layout will support your brand colors and imagery, and aim for a balance of text and visuals that keeps readers engaged. It also helps to think about mobile readability. Clean sections, concise headlines, and clear buttons generally perform well across devices. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to Campaigns, work within Email, select Create Email, choose Regular Email, then pick a fully designed template and browse until you find the right fit. Once you've selected a template, you can customize every element in the editor, from colors and fonts to images and links, turning a solid starting point into a message that looks and feels like your brand.